We've got the different attachments, the little ones for the corners, the little brush one, and the other little brush one that's the round. And you can fit them onto this handy little black thing, which you can leave on your hoover.
Oh yeah.
So you've always got the brushes to hand, and save you carrying everything around. So there you go, a very attractive little number, nice, smart, compact, and does a good job cleaning, which I'm sure you'll all agree is what you want. Thank you very much to AO for letting me review the Miele, and I hope you find this helpful. Thank you, bye bye.